हाँ तो गया। Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar has specialization in logistics and supply chain management. He has written numerous various paper in the case of the logistics and the supply chain management. He has written many papers in the materials management. He has written many papers in the talent management. His area of specialization is the production and operation management. He taught almost all the subject and the BBA, MBA and PGDM courses for the many times, and he written numerous papers in this case, and he written many chapters of the book, many author of the many of the books. His biodata is included here. He is awarded by the many organizations. He is the list of the award is given here in his biodata. His nationality is Indian. His date of birth is 14 June 1968. His age is the 52 years. His permanent address is the Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar, house number 87A, RZII block, West Sagarpur, Nai Delhi, 110046, India. His mobile number 8076385214. His email ID kumarm1968@rediffmail.com. Another email ID kumarm141968@gdfmail.com. His academic qualification include he has PhD in 2005 from the Department of the Management Studies, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. His area of the PhD specialization is the supply chain management. His topic for the PhD is the modeling vendor related issues in context of the supply chain. His supervisor was the Professor Ravi Shankar and Professor Premrat, who is the renowned international professor in the area of the supply chain management. Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar is MTech in 1997 from National Institute of Technology, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. That was the renowned institution in India and abroad, formerly known as the Regional Institute of Technology, Jamshedpur. He has done MTech in the production management. His project was related to the materials management in the tax and cooling system, Jamshedpur. His supervisor was the Dr. B. Kumar. He was the renowned international professor at that time. Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar is BTech in 1992 from Birsa Institute of Technology, Sindri Institute, 828123, Dhanbad, Jharkhand, India, formerly known as the Bihar Institute of Technology, Sindri. He is the renowned institute in the worldwide, and he has done BTech in production engineering. His project include production planning and control in garden essential builders, Ranchi, where the diesel engine plant, assembly of the diesel engine plant is done in the case of the garden receipt builders, and his supervisor was the Professor A.K.S. Chaudhary, a renowned professor. Total working experience of the Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar is 28 years. His total teaching experience is 23 years and the 46 semester. The name of the organization for the teaching organizations have been given here. His total industry experience is the 5 years. The name of the industry for teaching experience is given here. He worked as a visiting professor in the SP Jain School of Global Management, 10 Hyderabad Road, within Hot Park of the Alexandria Road, Singapore. He worked as a visiting professor for the Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Dubai campus, Dubai International City, Dubai. And he has established and worked with the International Engineering Services, house number 87A, RJI block, West Sagarpur, Nai Delhi. Various papers have been written on the basis of the International Engineering Services. And he worked here at the Mother Parvati Education Services, house number 87A, RJI block, West Sagarpur, Nai Delhi, India. He is a research guide at the Sri Jagdish Prasad Jhabbarwala Tibbarwala University and guided many PhD scholars in this university, and also now guiding the many PhD scholars here in this institute, in this university. Vidyanagari, Churu Jhunjhunu Road, Chudewala, District Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan, India. He worked as a at the KK University, Baroti, Nepura, Bihar Sharif, Nalanda, Bihar, as a principal director there for the many years. He worked in the Dewan BS Group of Institution, Masuri Road, Bypass Road, Partapur, Uttar Pradesh, as a director many years in this institution. He worked at the Birla Institute of Management and Technology, plot number 5, Knowledge Park, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, for the many years. He worked and established many labs in the Lingga Institute of Management and Technology, Faridabad, for many years. He worked at the Al-Kabir Polytechnic, Jamshedpur, for many years. He worked in the National Institute of Technology, Jamshedpur, in India, formerly known as the Regional Institute of Technology, Jamshedpur, for many years. He worked and established in the Texan Cooling System Private Limited, Jamshedpur. He was the main section in charge of the cooling system. He established the many of the sections there, and he was the main producer of the radiator core of the Tata Limited here from here. He established Ma Yasodhara Private Industrial Institute at Sambhuganj, Maka, Bihar, and he is the organizing principal there. This is the work experience of the Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar. His total work experience is the 28 years. He participated in many faculty development programs. First, Supply Chain Management, Department of Management Studies, Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, India, during the for 1 week. He participated in the Supply Chain Management, Department of Management Studies, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, India, for 1 week. He participated in Mechatronics Specialization, Instrumentation and Control Division, Netaji Subhas Institute of Technology, New Delhi, for the 2 weeks. He participated in the Specialization Advanced Manufacturing System, Mechanical Engineering Department, National Institute of Technology, during for the 2 weeks. He participated recent trends in the supply chain management at the Department of Management Study, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, for the 1 week. He participated in the development of better learning skills and the habit at the Indian Society for the Technical Education, National Institute of Subhas Technology, New Delhi, for the 1 week. He participated in the product development and design, Mechanical Engineering Department, Babu Banarsi Das National Institute of Technology, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, duration for the 1 week. He participated in the Bharat Unnat Abhiyan held the Institute of Technology, Delhi, many times. Total courses taught by the Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar, the list have been given there, and many of the books written in these topics by the Dr. Manoj Kumar. He taught production and operation management, production and material management, supply chain management, logistics and warehousing management, warehousing and inventory management, agricultural supply chain management, fundamental of management, business policy and strategy, management of technology innovation and change, entrepreneurship development, quality assurance and reliability, total quality management, talent management, procure management, lean six sigma, business resource methodology, product development and design, project management, management process and organization behavior, human resource management, international strategic management, W2 intellectual property rights, information system for the business, production planning and control, manufacturing strategy and management, warehousing and material handling, system analysis and design, sales and distribution management, business communication, business analytics for the supply chain management, construction supply chain, cold supply chain management, cost management for engineering project, marketing management, emerging issues in supply chain, business analytics for supply chain management, consumer behavior, managerial skill development, retail management, operation research, business environment, supply chain strategy, e-commerce, environmental science, business ethics and corporate responsibility, information security and management, service marketing, decision science. He wrote and made the lecture notes of all the subjects, and he's written many books on these subject area. Dr. Manoj Kumar is the editor-in-chief and reviewer of the many of the journals and in the editorial board of the many of the journals. Editor-in-chief in International Journal of Science, Technology and Management, Journal of Experimental Theoretical and Artificial Intelligence. He is the editorial team, International Journal of Mathematical Programming, International Journal of the Outsourcing, International Journal of Asian and Information Management, International Journal of the Fuzzy System Application. He is the in the editorial board of International Journal of Applied Industrial Engineering. He is in editorial board of International Journal of the Applied Behavioral Science. He is the editorial board of the International Journal of Productive Management and Assessment Technology. He is in editorial board of International Journal of Managing Value and Supply Chain. He is the editorial board of the Frontiers of the Marketing Research. He is in editorial board of Frontiers of the Accounting and Financing. He is in editorial board, International Journal of Economics and Business. He is in editorial board, International Journal of Physical Distribution and Logistics Management. He is in editorial board, International Journal of the Production Economics. He is in editorial board, International Journal of Integrated Supply Chain Management. He is in editorial board of the Advances in Industrial Engineering and Management. He served as a reviewer for an international conference on industrial engineering and operation management, United Arab Emirates during 2015. He is an editorial board of International Journal of the Human Resource Management. He is an editorial board of Environmental Quality and International Journal. So hence, Dr. Manoj Kumar is in the editorial team of the many of the research journals of the international standard, of the world standard. Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar has been received many awards and recognition throughout the world. The details of the awards have been mentioned here. He first received organizing one-day conference workshop on application of mechanical engineering for 21st century from the Dr. Radha Kishan Foundation Fund, Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak, Haryana, India. He is recipient of the Campus Preparedness Award 2015 for global activity in higher education on April 2015 at Scope Complex, Lodi Road, New Delhi by Professor R.K. Khandelwal, Vice Chancellor, Uttar Pradesh Technical University, Lucknow, Jim Milton, CEO, and Cromer Gray, Managing Director and Senior Vice President, Campus Management Corp, Florida, United States of America. Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar won the Best Paper Award and prize of the race 1000 for the paper published in the Indian Journal of the Transport Management. He won the Best Paper Award and prize of the 3000 paper published in the IUP Journal of the Supply Chain Management. He won the Best Paper Award and prize of the RACE 3000 for the paper published in the IUP Journal of the Supply Chain Management. He won the Best Paper Award and prize of the RACE 3000 for the paper published in the IUP Journal of the International Business. He won the Best Paper Award and prize of the 3000 for the paper published in the IUP Journal of the Operation Management. He won the Best Paper Award for the prize of the RACE 3000 and paper published in the IUP Journal of the Supply Chain Management. He won the Best Paper Award and prize of the RACE 3000 for the paper published and the issue of the IUP Journal of the Mechanical Engineering. He won the Best Paper Award for the prize of RACE 1000 for the issue of the IUP Journal of the Bank Management. He won the Best Paper Award for the 3000 for the paper published IUP Journal of the Mechanical Engineering. He nominated for the Bharat Jyoti Award by India International Friendship Society, New Delhi. He is nominated for prestigious Indian Status Award for the intellectual people and get the gold medal certification excellence award for the year 2000 for the Friendship New Delhi. He received Best Indian Global Personality Award and gold medal certificate excellence for the year 2000 by Friendship Forum, New Delhi. He received Bharat Excellence Award and gold medal certificate of excellence by Friendship Forum, New Delhi. He received the guest of honor in conference research process 8-step model national seminar on the research methodology in present scenario in collaboration with the learning economy at the Dewan V.S. Institute of Management Study, Meerut. He received the Educationist of the Year Award 2018 by the Rifa C. Mento International, Tulsidas Street, Ansari Road, Daryaganj, New Delhi. He received Personality of the Year Award 2019 by Rifa C. Mento International, Tulsidas Street, Ansari Road, Daryaganj, New Delhi. He received Dr. Radhakrishnan Educational Excellence Award by the Sri Aditya Katyani Santipeeth Auditorium, Chhattarpur, Mahaloli, by the Indian Institute of Oriental Heritage, S.K. Dev Road, Calcutta. He received many awards in the case from the India and the award. Details of each award is given here. He guided many PhD theses of the 8 PhD students, which is given here in detail. Ram Ratan, process analysis, optimization of the biodiesel production and investigation of the biodiesel property and characterization of particulate matter emission from mustard oil of Haryana. He guided modeling supplier involvement in product innovation. He guided investing supplier R&D experience and innovation process practices. He guided total 138 master guided. The list of the topic is given here. Implementation of TM in automobile parts manufacturing industry in India. Implementation issue in just-in-time in Indian industry. Analysis of various process parameter on machining characteristics of EDM using the Taguchi method on EN for alloy steel. Integration of reverse supply chain management with business process engineering in a brake manufacturing unit in India. Strength and fracture study of cast ALSI. Design and validation of steering system for the SK 161 BS3 tipper. Effects of process parameter on curve plates steel welding. He guided experimental study on CNC milling on quality characteristics by using Taguchi optimization technique. He guided for the activity costing implemented in a small scale industry, a case study. He guided for the sheet metal parts development by the product decomposition. He guided for the effect of process parameter of arc welding on aluminum plate. He guided for the effect of process parameter on the tungsten inert gas welding on aluminum plate. He guided for the control of casting defects by using DMAC approach, a case study. He guided the role of the key quality practice in success of manufacturing organization, a study in the NCR firm in India. He guided for the removal of free play in steering system of vehicle and improved steering stability. He guided for the braking system of a vehicle and control of a wheel slip. in ABS maintenance of the braking system. He is a member of the many professional society. He is a life member of Indian Society for the Technical Education, New Delhi, India. He is the life member of the Operational Resource Society of India, Calcutta. He is a life member of the Biodiesel Society of India. He is a life member of the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi Association. His biography is published by the following personals. Biography not published in the Asia Pacific Who's Who 2003 by the Reform International, Tulsidas Street, Ansari Road, Daryaganj. His biography not published by the Biography India, published by the Reform International, Tulsidas Street, Ansari Road, Daryaganj. His biographical note published in Famous India, Nations Who's Who by the Residence in Club, Kashmiri Gate, New Delhi. The complete list of the publications of the Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar is given here. Total publications 129, single author publication 76, international journal 59, journals of India 14, international conference 24, national conference 20, chapters of the book 20. He published many of the international journals, which list has been given here by the editor-in-chief is the Malin Song. This is Journal of the Management of Environment Quality and International Journal. Advances in Industrial Engineering and Management. Editor-in-chief Liu Jeling from the University of the Technology. Advances in Industrial Engineering and Management. Editor-in-chief Liu Jeling. Advances in Industrial Engineering Management. Editor-in-chief Liu Jeling. International Journal of Human Capital in Urban Management. Editor-in-chief Dr. A. Guliar. International Journal of Research in Business Studies and Management. Journal of Manufacturing Engineering. International Journal of Operation Research, Nepal. Academy of Business Review. International Journal of Technology Diffusion. Editor-in-chief Ali Hussein Sella Jolat, University of the Bahrain. He published in the International Journal of Strategic Information Technology and Application, special issue, Strategic Information Management in SMEs. He published in the International Journal of Science, Technology and Management. He published in International Journal of Science, Technology and Management. He published in International Journal of Science, Technology, Social Ecology and Sustainable Development. Editor-in-chief Elias G. Cragian of the Washington University, USA. He published in International Journal of the Export Marketing. Editor-in-chief Kondiovans D. University of Tartu, Estonia. He published in International Journal of Robotics and Application and Technology. Editor-in-chief Dan Chang, York University. He published in International Journal of Risk and Contingency Management. Editor-in-chief Kenneth David. He published in the International Journal of Risk and Contingency Management. Editor-in-chief Kenneth David. He published in International Journal of Applied Behavior Economics. Editor-in-chief Rodica Note. He published International Journal of Human Capital and Information Technology Management Professionals. Editor-in-chief Rico Colombi. He published in International Journal of Online Marketing. He published the research paper in International Journal of Asian Business and Information Management. Editor-in-chief Patricia Ortiz Pablos, University of Oviedo, Spain. And he published in International Journal of Productive Management and Assessment Technology. Editor-in-chief Oxa Kulko, Federal University, Russian Biryan J. Gagali. He published in International Journal of Applied Logistics. Editor-in-chief Lincoln C. Wood. He published International Journal of Applied Logistics. Editor-in-chief Lincoln C. Wood. He published for the International Journal of Risk and Contingency Management. Editor-in-chief Kenneth David. He published in the International Journal of Food and Beverage Manufacturing. Editor-in-chief Konstia Jordipi. He published in International Journal of Asian Business and Information Management. Editor-in-chief Patricia Pablis. He published in International Journal of Advanced Engineering and Research Science. He published in International Journal of Entrepreneurship and Innovation, editor-in-chief Cheria Hu. He published in International Journal of Energy Optimization and Engineering, editor-chief Pandian Basant. Garth Villa Weber, Du V. He published in International Journal of Asian Business and Information Management, editor-in-chief Patricia Audio de Pablis. He published in International Journal of Service Science, Management and Engineering and Technology, editor-in-chief Ahmed Tahar Azhar. He published in International Journal of Knowledge Society, editor-in-chief Milita D. Latir, American College of Chemists, Linda Denia, University of Latvia. He published in International Journal of Adult Vocational and Educational Technology, editor-in-chief Victor J. Wang, Grand Canyon University, USA, Lelya Columbia University, and John A. University. He published in International Journal of Social Ecology and Sustainable Development, editor-in-chief Ilyas Kanya. He published in Journal of Manufacturing Engineering. He published in International Journal of Productive Management and Assessment Technology, editor-in-chief Okcham Karandu and Federal University, Russian Federation, Brian J. Gallian, Long Island University. He published in International Journal of Asian Business and Information Management, editor-in-chief Patricia D. Follis. He published in International Journal of Technical Diffusion, editor-in-chief Ali Hussain, Salah University. He published in International Journal of Integrated Supply Chain Management, editor-in-chief Ajay Das, Broch College, United States of America. He published in International Journal of Strategic Decision Science, editor-in-chief Majid Tawana. He published in Asian Research Policy, editor-in-chief Kechu Lim, Korea Institute of Science and Technology. He published International Journal of Materials and Manufacturing and Machining Science, editor-in-chief Paulo David. He published International Journal of Operational Research, Nepal, editor-in-chief Dr. Shankar Prasad Khanal, Tribhuvan University, Nepal. He published in the Advances in Industrial Engineering and Management American Scientific Publication, editor-in-chief Dr. Liu Jilin, Henan University Technology. He published in Eurasian Journal of Business Economics, editor-in-chief Ali Koskun, American University of Technology. He published in the Yugoslav Journal of the Operation Research, editor-in-chief Professor Da Verikovic, Serbia. He published in the Journal of the Supply Chain Management System. He published in the Journal of Energy, Heat and Mass Transfer. He published in the Advances in Industrial Engineering Management American and Scientific Publisher, editor-in-chief Dr. Liu Zheling, Henan University of Technology. He published Advances in Industrial Engineering Management American Scientific Publisher, editor-in-chief Dr. Liu Zheling. He published in Research and Analysis and Evaluation. He published in International Journal of Science and Engineering, Computer and Technology, editor-in-chief Dharmender Kumar. He published in the South African Journal of the Industrial Engineering, editor-in-chief Witko Loof, Republic of South Korea. He published in the International Journal of Integrated Supply Chain Management, editor-in-chief Dr. Ajay Das. He published International Journal of Physical Distribution and Logistics Management, editor-in-chief Professor Chan Liu Hung, Leeds University, UK. He published International Journal of the Production Economics, editor-in-chief S. Miner, Technical University, Munich School. He published in Computer and Industrial Engineering, editor-in-chief Mohammad Doski, University of South Carolina, Department of Industrial System Engineering. This is the total publication in the international publication of the Manoj Kumar, Dr. Manoj Kumar, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar have published 59 research paper journals in the top-notch international journals, which list have been given here. Total 59 international journal research publications with the Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar, where the single author publication is the 76. 76 is the single author publication. Journals of India 14, International Conference 24, National Conference 16, chapters of the book 20. He published 14 research papers in the journals of India. He published in Indian Journal of the Technical Education. He published in the Indian Journal of IP Mechanical Engineering. He published IUP Journal of the Bank Management. He published in the IUP Journal of the Mechanical Engineering. He published Indian Journal of the Transport Management. He published in the Journal of the JNA Institute of Management and Technology. He published in the IUP Journal of the Supply Chain Management. He published in the IUP Journal of the Operation Management. He published in the IUP Journal of the Supply Chain Management. He published in the IUP Journal of the International Business. He published in the Udyog Pragati. He published in the IUP Journal of the Supply Chain Management. He published in the IMB Management Review. He published in the Udyog Pragati. Total 14 publications are there with the Dr. Manoj Kumar, which are with the journals of India. 24 publications in the conferences, international conferences have been done. This is the Gwalior Institute of Information Technology, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. SP National Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Engineering, Mumbai. Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. ITS Engineering College, Greater Noida. Institute of Management, Kathmandu, Nepal. Symbiosis Center, Institute of Management, Noida. PhD Chambers of Commerce, New Delhi. Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. Amity University, Noida. Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. Management Institution, Knowledge Park, Greater Noida. Amity University, Noida. Amity University, Noida. Amity University, Noida. Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. Om Institute of Technology, Hisar. Jagdish Prasad Chhabbarwala, Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan. Om Institute of Technology, Hisar. Delhi College of Engineering, New Delhi. Delhi College of Engineering, New Delhi. Coimbatore, Bhopal, and Asia Pacific Conference, New Delhi. He published 16 papers in the national conference at the MDU University, Rohtak. Institute of Technology, Banaras Hindu University, Banarasi. Kalandi College, University of Delhi, East Patel Nagar. Kalandi College, University of Delhi, East Patel Nagar. Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Jabalpur. Amity University, Noida. Dewan VS Institute of Management, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Government Polytechnic, Alwar. Textile Technology Institute of Textile and Science, Bhiwani. Bhiwani Institute of Technology Management, Bhiwani. TIT Patiala. National Seminar on the Mechanical Engineering, Jabalpur. And the Operation Research and Computing, Agra. All India Seminar Emerging Trades in Kurukshetra. Kaktiya Institute of Engineering Science, Bangalore. All India Seminar on Design of Production System, New Concept, Bhubaneswar. Details of the book chapter. Details of the book chapter are there. Details of the book is there. Driving traffic and customer activity through affiliate marketing. Managerial strategy and solution for the Asian business success in India. Handbook of research on manufacturing process modeling and optimization and strategy. Handbook of research on the manufacturing process and modeling optimization and strategy. Exploring the influence of the personal values and culture in the workplace. Outward foreign direct investment in engineering market economy. Tourism and opportunity for economic development in Asia. Research paradigm in contemporary perspective, human technology interaction. Green marketing and environment response in the modern corporation. Metacognition and successful learning strategy in the higher education. Digital governance and e-government principles apply to the public procurement. Value relevance of the accounting information capital market. Managerial strategy and solution for the business success in Asia. Leveraging risk and uncertainty for effective project management. Business infrastructure for sustainability in developing economies. Organizational productivity and performance measurement using predictive modeling and analysis. Optimal inventory control and management techniques. emerging research on applied sets and the intrinsic fuzzy mathematics, supply chain management in the automotive industry, concept and cases, decision theory models and experiences. Total 20 chapters of the details of the chapters books have been published with the name of the Dr. Manoj Kumar. Thanks to Dr. Manoj Kumar.